Perfect.
Hey guys, I'm Shaunie Renee and welcome to my channel, Shaunie Be Shining. As you've seen in the title, today is going to be another series of Make Me Beautiful. In this video, I'm giving you a smoky eye. I initially started with a nude lip and wound up changing over to a popping pink. If you like today's look, stick around for the video. If you are new to my channel, sending you a warm welcome. I hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the subs button. Come back and catch more videos from me. As I always state in these videos, I am not a makeup artist. I am just simply applying my makeup with the camera on. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go ahead and get into this look, guys. Alright guys, so I wanted to try something new for this video, so I decided to place some gold eye mask underneath my eyes while I apply my brows and my eye makeup. They're by Wonder Beauty, and let's see how they brighten up and soften the under eye. Okay, so I'm usually very quiet during my Make Me Beautiful videos, but I get asked a lot of questions about what I'm using or why I'm doing what I'm doing, so I decided to do things a little differently in this video, and so I'm going to explain what I'm using and try to be a little bit more informative. So right now you see me filling my brows with a brow pomade by NYX in the color Espresso. When doing my eyebrows, I always start by underlining the eyebrow and brushing upward strokes. So I define the bottom of the eyebrow and then upward strokes to get the color to blend up into the brow. I didn't want to bore you too much by filling both brows on camera, but I felt that it was important to show you. At the beginning of the brow on this side, I do not have as much hair as I have on the other side, so using upward strokes, I am filling in the beginning of my eyebrow to get the two to match. Then I'm just going to clean up the top of the brow with a makeup wipe that I got from the Dollar Tree. To clean underneath the brow as well as define the brow bone, I'm going to use some NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the color Golden Honey. Alright, so we're going to start applying the makeup with a transition color, and for my first transition color I am using Speechless from my Morphe 25B palette. Using the exact same palette, I'm going to go a little deeper into our transition using Better. Then we're going to take it a little bit deeper using the color Effort. Once I was satisfied with my transition color, I then went into my Warrior palette and I'm going to use the color Ahosi. I am not sure if I pronounced that right, but I'm just going to call it Ahosi. So I'm going really light with this. I don't want to be too heavy, but it was at this point that I just remembered I forgot to prime my eyelid before I applied my transition shade. But we're going to make it work. It's still blending well, and I didn't need that much pigmentation, which was a good thing. So sticking with that something new theme, I decided to use these two samples that I received in a beauty box to moisturize the face before we apply our foundation. And because my skin tone changes during the summer, I went out and purchased a new foundation, and I decided to go with Clinique Beyond Perfecting 2-in-1. And the color that I chose was WN114 Golden. So if you are my skin color twin, then that color should work for you. WN114 Golden. This right here is my staple, the Urban Decay Skin Color Corrector in the color Deep Peach. And because I like to keep the product under my eye as light as possible so that it don't get crusty and thick and just look a hot mess, I make sure that my beauty blender is extremely moist during this process. And also, because I want to control how much product goes underneath the eye, I start my concealer pretty low, and then when I'm using my beauty blender, I work it up into the eye corner. But I do this, I start this low so that I can control how much product winds up underneath the eye. Going back into my Morphe palette with the color Effort, I am now bringing that transition down underneath the eye. Now I'm going to line the waterline with my Mary Kay eyeliner in MK Black. I am a Mary Kay beauty consultant, so all of the Mary Kay products you see me use in this video can be purchased from my website, which will be below in the description. And to line the top lid, I am using my Mary Kay gel eyeliner in color Jet Black. I am gently wiping under the eye with a makeup wipe just to pick up any fallout, but not trying to wipe off my product. Okay, so I am applying my Mary Kay Lash Love Lengthening Mascara on my lower and my upper lashes before I apply my falsies. Alright guys, so now we have to put the dimension back in the face that the foundation took away. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter in the color Medium Dark. For my blush color today, I'm going to use my Saharan palette and I'm going in the color B. Because I have a red skin undertone, I go all over my face with my blush. I apologize guys, I am so backwards with how I was applying my makeup on this video, but I usually set the concealer as soon as I apply the concealer. I don't do my under eye makeup and then do this part. I was just I don't know what was wrong with me. I was having an off day guys, but it turned out okay in the end, but I was struggling. Then I use a large fluffy face brush to blend everything together. My smoky eye was not as intense as I wanted it to be, so I went back into the Morphe palette, working with the color Worky to deepen the end corner. I wanted a really smoky, dark, intense eye. And this palette right here is one of my new faves. This is Milani Shimmering Face Highlighting Palette. And because I thought I wanted a nude lip, here you see me applying a NARS Nude Lip Pencil. The nude lipstick is by Model Co. in the color Tango Pink. Then I top the lip with an NYX Butter Gloss in the color Madeline. And of course, you have to finish your look with a finishing spray. I'm using the Scandinavia finishing spray. Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. I so hope that you guys like the look I'm giving you, the smoky eye with the nude lip. Like I shared in the beginning of this video, I wound up changing my look to a popping pink because I recorded a couple of videos after this makeup look. But as I shared, I am not a makeup artist, so if you have any tips and any makeup tricks that you would like to share with me, I am so open to them. Please comment them down below. Any questions you have about any of the products I use, you can comment down below and I will make sure to get back to you. If you would like to purchase any of the Mary Kay items I use inside of this video, my Mary Kay website will be in the description. Feel free to ask any questions about any of the products. That's what I'm here for. As always, I thank you guys so very much for stopping by and checking out my video. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, come back and catch more videos from me. As always, I thank you so very much. I love you. God bless you. Keep shining. Shaunie Renee is out. Bye, guys.